alone on this uninhabited island for 3 days. Will I survive alone?
Hello there, Ethan. Are you still playing Robinson Crusoe? I'm going downtown. Do you need something?
Yes, I'm still playing Robinson Crusoe. And Robinsons do not get anything from downtown, thank you. It's hard to survive on an uninhabited island, nearly impossible. Ow! Hey, what's going on here? This is my uninhabited island. You go and inhabit some other place.
Playing Robinson is a stupid game when you have many friends around.
But it makes me strong enough to survive in extreme conditions. You see, Vera?
Oh yeah? Then I want to be Robinson as well. I'll be Mrs. Robinson.
Girls cannot become Robinsons.
Watch me because I will. You see?
Oh.
I will play the survival game using scientific methods.
So then, shall we go and get ourselves an island?
No, I can't live on an uninhabited island. I have to eat a lot.
So why don't we go make a movie about them? Get the camera, Arnold. Some noise. This place could be dangerous. Look over there. It's them. Don't scare them away. These are savages. I'm going to try to capture them.
Oh, these savages are mine.
Actually, I was the first to spot the savages. I discovered and described them.
Hey guys, I'm confused. Did we capture the savages or did they capture us? Hey, I gotta say, I'm getting pretty tired of playing Robinson Crusoe.
And I have some experiments to finish at home, really, guys.
Ethan, we agree that you're the best Robinson player ever. You're the champion of this game.
What do you say? Can we play another game? Hide and seek, maybe?
Wait a minute, guys. Trollykins, when did you get to join the game? I would like to know.
Indeed then. How did you guys even get here?
I think I know who's taken the game too far.
We wanted to shoot a thriller, so we simply put them up to the task to come here. Uh-oh. Hey, stop! We'll get you! Hey, you better stop!
Just wait,
Stop it!
You're running away.
I'm gonna get you, you'll see!
What?
The Robinson Crusoe game failed, guys. Let's just pretend we're violent savages. Hey, George! Are you coming to play? Hey, George! Poor George. George got an electric shock.
Scary, isn't it? This is my new invention. It's called George 2000. He's my twin robot. He will do the house cleaning for me.
Oh, George, you're a genius.
How do you manipulate him? With a remote. Just see this. George is good for nothing. Sorry, wrong button. Here, George is the most hardworking little train in the world.
I think the first phrase was a bit more accurate.
So you wanted to play outside?
Uh-huh.
Okay, George, house cleaning mode. Okay, let's go now.
Well, well. The great Professor George. He created something special, a robot.
Good afternoon.
What is going on here, eh?
Can I water the flowers, please?
Kid, watering flowers is a very serious business. But I see you are a very responsible little train. Why don't you go on and do it? And in the meantime, I will take a nap, and I can really use one. What's going on now? George, what have you done?
Grandpa Billy, I brought you some cakes.
Grandpa Billy, what's going on here? Whoa!
Who's disturbing the peace here?
It's George. It's George. It's all his fault, I tell you.
Well, well. Where's this naughty kid, then?
There he is. Stop him now.
George, here!
Oh, dear me. They're identical. Now tell me who made the mess in Grandpa Billy's garden.
It was all my twin robot. Honestly, it's not my fault at all. No, he is my twin robot. Liar, you are the twin. I am George. No, I am George. No, I am. 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 No, I am.
No, I am.
No, I am.
I am.
No, I am.
It's me.
No, I am. Oh, sorry. Did you drop this? Run! Oh, George. What have you done now?
Now I know for sure, guys. I guess I have to clean my room by myself.
It's better now?
Yes, my dear. It's much better now.
Yes, everything's in order.
Ethan, let's go. Vera is crying.
What happened?
Okay, go on.
Vera, why are you crying like a girl?
Well, Ethan, she is a girl.
You couldn't understand. It's poetry.
What is that?
What do we have here? And I came to the path of dusk since I lost the only way back. A little rain poured drops of dream and life was running very, very, very badly. The night was willing to show me the stars, the wind was howling too sadly. Loneliness, it was too late to find the price of tears. So what's the problem?
Didn't you understand? This is a very sad poem, Ethan.
Yes, it's so melancholy.
What's so sad?
He can't understand it. He's just a senseless and heartless piece of iron.
Me? This is too much. Am I senseless? Am I heartless? This is just too much. I am most sensitive. I can show them tears. I will show them I can cry. My tears will be everywhere. They will drown in my tears. Just wait and see. Pale and sleepy dandelion, greens and whites. Ahem. Very little kitty. Very little, very, very. Even smaller than a rabbit. And it's raining and it's autumn. Come on. on. Kitty in Autumn is so melancholy and it's also very sad.
Did you get it, Vera?
It's just some rubbish.
It's not rubbish. Come on, let's go have some fun and play with something.
I'm really not in the mood to play anything.
Well, what mood are you in?
I'm in melancholia.
What is that exactly?
You wouldn't understand it.
Stop saying that. I can understand everything. Everything I want to, all right? Okay, poetry. What do we have here? And I came to the path of dusk. Very good. I am here, and there's some dust. So far, so good. How long is the path? There is no distance here. Okay, what's next? Since I lost the only way back. That's true. I don't know the way back home. Everything is as it says. Everything is right. A little rain for drops of dreams. Hey, it says a little rain. Ow! The night was willing to show me the stars above. The wind was howling sadly.
Ethan, are you home?
I don't know where he is. I'm beginning to be worried about him.
Where can we find him?
Ethan is where you'll hear someone sobbing.
This is what melancholia is. This is when there are no friends, no mother, and when it's 11:30 and I'm alone and I don't know the way back home. I don't know how to get back. Oh, guys! Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy you found me. I was all alone here, and also, I understood how sad the poem really is.
Thank you so much.
See you tomorrow.
You know, I didn't think he was so sensitive.
Well, that's just the power of poetry.
Why aren't kids allowed to watch this movie?
Mom says it's not for kids. It's scary.
Nonsense. Hey, I got an idea. Let's make an elixir for adulthood. We can watch the movie then.
We need to try.
That's awesome. Hey, what's that? Elixir of adulthood. Oh, wow.
Boys, dinner's ready.
Mom is calling. Let's go. No thanks. I'm not hungry.
Sam Sparky.
Sparky. Oh no, Sam Sparky. That's not fair.
Hey, boys.
He's so grown up now. We should have been in his place.
What if he does something bad and blames us? He will say that we gave him the elixir.
What to do? Oh, I know! We must create an anti-elixir and sprinkle Sam with it, and then he'll be a kid again.
I see the victim. I am shooting.
Shoot him! Come to us again! What are you boys doing? We cleaned the shop windows. Well, it was cleaner before you washed it.
I really messed up.
We smudged the mud.
There he is.
What's going on?
We are sorry.
That's just horrible.
Listen, we will be punished soon if we continue sprinkling everyone except Sam.
But what can we do? We need to make him young again.
Maybe we should go to his house.
George, you're a genius.
Oof, what kind of stupid jokes are these?
Your elixir doesn't work. I waited for 3 hours, but they didn't let me watch the movie. I wasted my time.
What do you mean? Then who did we sprinkle with the anti-elixir?
Don't rush to grow up, boys. Everything has its time. I would love to play football or watch a movie, but I need to work. Oh, I gotta go. Dinner is over.
It's strange. Kids aren't allowed to watch movies. Adults don't have time to, so who watches them?
Oh, wow, prehistoric times. It's so interesting. What is this book about? Prehistoric primitive tribes were spread around vast and wild regions.
There. It's been a while since we've caught our last mammoth.
Yeah, I'd like some mammoth to eat with syrup.
In these prehistoric times, it was difficult to find a mammoth.
We've been out of stock with mammoths since last week. Sorry, I can't help you guys.
So it looks like we'll have to go hunt.
It was hard to hunt down a mammoth. Because they usually didn't even notice that they were being hunted.
We have to find some other way. I'm tired.
There were other severities around. The hostile tribes. The tribes had to defend themselves. The weather was unpredictable.
Hey.
Look, the mammoth is near.
It means it's gonna rain.
Just let them invent the weather forecast already.
There was nothing much to do during the day, so mammoth hunting was the only way to fight boredom. But sometimes it was the other way round. As you see, being a prehistoric and primitive person was very, very complicated.
Aha!
Therefore, the prehistoric people invented something important: schools. At schools, they learned how to stop being primitive and become educated. Finally, they developed into really civilized trains. It's really great to be civilized. Hey! What? Oh.
mushroom on you?
That's not a mushroom, but my new invention, umbrella for friends.
You will get wet under that invention. I'm curious, where's the rain?
Rain, rain, rain.
When friends get under the umbrella, it increases in size. You can hide here too. There's enough space for us all.
I always hiccup when I'm surprised.
That was really, really cool. Even Arnold started to hiccup. Come on, Arnold. You infected me with hiccups.
Lightning is a very powerful discharge of electricity, and unmanageable electricity is very dangerous.
And very harmful. I once licked a battery and lost my appetite. And once a big hailstone fell on my head, and it was the size of a football.
And you lost your appetite, right?
No, I didn't lose anything. In fact, I got something. A big bump on my forehead.
Who will reach the rainbow first? I'll be the first. Sam Sparky the Rocket.
It's so beautiful. It's so interesting how it feels.
Well, the rainbow is next to my house, right? It means the rainbow is mine. Wait.
Arnold's rainbow, do not enter. Arnold, what's this?
What? There's only one rainbow, and a lot of us. And now there's dust all over my rainbow. I have to wash it. Wait! My rainbow! Don't leave me!
Now, Arnold. The rainbow belongs to everyone, not just to you. Like the air and the sunshine.
I'm sorry, guys.
Ready, set, go!
Good job. You have the best results.
Who would doubt that?
Sam Sparky is the leader of the competition after the second jump.
He is winning now.
It's okay. We have one more jump.
Arnold is getting ready for his second jump.
I believe that he can fly this time.
I doubt it.
Huh?
I can't believe it.
It's a failure again.
Arnold! Arnold, where are you going? There's one more jump.
I don't want to try. I can't fly anyway.
Wait, I've got an idea.
Really?
These wings are way better now.
Are they this big because I'm fat?
No, you are just big.
Oink.
Hey, you look like a pterodactyl.
Try not to fly away.
I can fly. I can fly. Yay!
And now Ethan gets ready for his third jump. And Ethan loses to Sam Sparky. There are only George and Arnold left, and we will know who the real champion is.
It's clear that I'm the champion. These kids could never defeat me.
Excuse me, George will not jump for technical reasons. And please welcome Arnold to his final jump.
George, what's wrong?
I can't open my wing. I think it's stuck.
But you had a spare one.
I gave it to Arnold.
I can do this. I can fly.
He is flying.
But does he know how to land?
The earth.
I can't believe it. Arnold is the winner of our competition, and Arnold gets the Champions Cup this year. Congratulations.
Hey, George, wait. Here, my prize is yours. If you didn't help Arnold, you would have won third or even second place. Take it. If George didn't help Arnold, you would have won second place.
George, take it. It's your cup. If you flew with these wings, you would have been the champion.
But I'm not sure of that. Then let's jump one more time.
Hooray! Grandpa Billy's smile. I'm taking a photo of you.
Don't you see I'm busy? Why don't you go take a picture of those lazy people over there?
Okay, I will. As you wish. Mr. Clockface, smile. I'm shooting.
No photos. I always look very skinny and pop-eyed in photos. I don't like them.
If nobody wants photos, then I'll shoot nature. That's what I'll do.
George, why is everybody so gloomy? Where are their smiles? Everything is so gray and colorless.
I'll invent a film in which everybody will be smiling. And the world will always be colorful.
George.
Achoo! Mommy, I could make it!
Oh, I hate these colorful weeds. Who are you? Boys, catch him.
That's my fault. Everybody is angry and gray because of me. Why did I invent that stupid film?
George, wake up.
Mom, I love you, and you're so beautiful and colorful.